Hi guys, what are you talking about? Yeah? Beautiful.
Yeah, we went from a handshake. I basically told what explosion and implosion was. I went to planets and how they do that. And then how many black holes inside of how in every galaxy there's a black hole. The sun, I think planets revolve around those. All the planets have moons. And that's a solar system where there are many solar systems inside of one galaxy. And basically, there's many galaxies in the universe. And yeah, I was in space with her.
Heavy.
I said the sun has two round fingers go around the sun, and the planets all around the sun, and the circles around the sun, and this go around and around and around.
It rotates?
And
They
yeah.
revolve. Rotation.
Oh, yeah.
It's in one spot and basically just
Yeah.
spins. No,
And
rotation, yes, like that
spins and
revolution
spins.
goes around.
Like the planet on the stick, and this you spin this around like that, like.
But it's not on a stick.
And this canvas like a sun, the two circles around it, and some other planets, and then this go out, like you spin the planets, and this go like that.
Yeah. Pretty good.
Them all, they could just move it and just spin. That's like, it's just galaxies.
Mm-hmm.
It's a spiral galaxy that really, like, how many galaxies there's. Quantum, there's spiral, eclipse, and
Think hard and long. Hard and
I'm
long.
not gonna word of it.
Thing that
It's like
Just trying to help you.